Hey, Dana here, and welcome to my vlog. Well, today is Saturday, June 25th, 2022, and in my case, today is my 62nd birthday. And thank you all for the birthday wishes. 62 is a milestone. It is a milestone for everyone because of the fact that you can now start receiving Social Security. This is a decision that you have to make, whether you're going to start pulling it now or pulling it between now and 67. Those that were born before 1960, their full Social Security is at 65. So, you know, in all these years, you know, okay, when you reach 65, you can start pulling Social Security. Well, for us that are reaching 62 now, you can start pulling it. It's the earliest that you can pull it. So if you're in a job and you're continuing to work, you're going to increase your Social Security up till, you know, for us at, again, 60 and after, you can pull up to 70. So in my case, I've chosen to go ahead and start pulling at 62. They recommend that you sign up 4 months prior. I signed up 3 months prior. At 62, you are restricted from making outside money at amount of 19,600 something. And if you go over that at the end of the year, when you file your taxes, if you've gone over that $1,600 a month through the year, then they're going to deduct that amount out of your income for the following year. So you're able to say, you know, for 6 months into the year, you can make up to 19,000. And then after that, you're gonna have to shut it down, because anything over that, they're gonna take again in the following year. So that's where I'm at today. My clock just started, and you have to be 62 for a month. So from June 25th to July 25th is my first month, and then I will start getting my first check around the 24th or the 4th week of the following month. In this case, it'll be August, because it all depends on when your birthday is. I'll continue a vlog here. I'm probably going to put it in my playlist as Life After 62. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share, and you can catch me on the next Life After 62. And again, thank you for the birthday wishes.